How to make someone miss you like crazy using the law of attraction. Amazing results. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon. So today we're talking about how to make someone miss you like crazy. And it's easy to do if you will follow these simple law of attraction secrets. Number one, connect with source energy on a daily basis. Here's a very simple technique. You stand, maybe you can do this in the morning after your 10-minute meditation. You stand, you bring in infinite light, visualize it from above, source energy. Breathe in, fill your whole body with light, and then expand it. What you're doing is you are expanding your aura. You're expanding your energy field, and you're increasing your magnetism. High flyers, beautiful souls. This one is very important. Number 2 on my list. Write down your intentions, your goals, and your dreams outside of the relationship. In other words, don't even take the relationship into consideration. Write down what's important to you in addition to your relationship. This is very important because what it does is it strengthens who you are. It strengthens your self-confidence and your personal power. And I think that's essential to attract someone, to drive someone crazy. I mean, they're going to want you because you are strong in yourself. So number 3 is every night before you fall asleep, participate in some clear visualization. Visualize maybe things you haven't done with this person. Visualize the two of you doing things together. But here's the important thing. Always leave room for something better. Because the universe is vast. And if you're visualizing, you're telling the universe, this is the kind of vibrational energy I want in my life. And the universe may say, wait a minute, you think it's this person, but it's really this person. So leave yourself open to that and visualize in present tense, as if it's already happening, as if you're right in the middle of it. And then let it go to sleep. Now, high flyers, because you are worthy, because you are special, because you are busy, you have a busy life, your life is engaged with many different activities, you're going to limit the times that the two of you meet to maybe 1 time or 2 times a week. Listen to me. These are dates. These are actual dates. These are not house calls, if you get my drift, okay? So a date is walking through the park, taking a sailboat ride, going out to dinner. That is what a date is. A date is not, I will pick up fast food and a cheap bottle of wine and come over and visit you. That is not a date, okay? So 1 or 2 times a week. And listen, when you're out on a date, have fun, be exciting, have just a great time, okay? And then don't be in a hurry to want to hurry and get back and hook up again, okay? That's important. So if the person that you are dating says, hey, can we get together in a couple days? Well, make him or her wait a little bit longer. Remember, 1, maybe 2 times a week. Take it slow, and that's the way to go. Well, high flyers, number 5 is if there is no commitment in the relationship. Now, don't give me this implied commitment. Well, we have an implied commitment. What is an implied commitment? Okay, what is that? That's not a commitment. An implied commitment is not a commitment. A commitment is where people say, you know, I'm only going to date you. I want to be with you. We're going to have a great time, a great life together, and vice versa. That's what a commitment is. So, high flyers, listen to me. If there is no commitment, then the rest of your life, your personal business, your history, all of that is not part of the conversation. It's out of bounds, in other words. No commitment means that you don't get to ask me who I dated last night or if I went out with someone. That's not a question, because that's outside the spectrum of our relationship. We don't have a commitment. Now, once we have a commitment, then the rules change. Then people make up, rules that are appropriate to the kind of relationship that they want to share. But without a commitment, and listen, here's the way I would handle it. If somebody said, well, are you dating anyone else? Well, look, I'd really rather not answer personal questions like that, since we're just friends right now and we're getting to know each other. Oh, that's a good answer, because that took that person and put them in the friend zone. And nobody, absolutely no one wants to be put in the friend zone. You are driving them crazy, and they will miss you around the clock. So, high flyers, this should be obvious to you, but if you really want to make someone miss you like crazy, then you need to be happy. You need to be fun. Don't spend your date time or your time together talking about your bad relationship or about your divorce. Okay, that's not fun. That's not fun for you. That's not fun for anyone. So focus on being happy. Focus on being energetic. Focus on being excited and motivated and magnetic. So, high flyers, this should go without saying, but number 7 is important. Always be the first to end a conversation. Now, 3-hour phone calls, 3-hour text sessions are really not going to help you get the other person to miss you like crazy. You're better off limiting your text sessions or your phone calls to about 5 minutes, and then be the first to end the conversation. Hey, I'd like to talk to you more, but I gotta go. Gotta get up early in the morning, study for a test, whatever it is that you're doing with your life, okay? Because you're busy, because your life is involved, because you're in demand, and that will increase that person's desire to want to spend more time with you. They're gonna miss you like crazy. And finally, number 8, this is so important. If you want to really just raise up your vibration, raise it up to the point where the other person is just like, I am magnetized toward you. I miss you like crazy. If that's what you really want to do, then gratitude is the key. Every day, that gratitude journal, write down about all the things that you're grateful for in your life, and all the things that are happening in your life that you're also grateful for. You see, when you're filled with gratitude, your energy field is expansive, it's magnetic, and it's extremely powerful. Now, here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.